Hey there! Thank you so much for purchasing our Dirtyboots and Messyhair presets. Don't worry, you can start playing with them any minute now. We're just about to show you how to install the files and apply the presets to your images. You should have received an email from us that has all your files attached as a .zip file. That means you will need to unzip it first before you can start the installation process. Mac will usually automatically unzip your files. If that's not the case, you can find free programs to download for this purpose online. Within your files, we have included a PDF guide with tips and instructions on how to install your presets, so in case you're unsure about something later on and want to read up, everything's covered here too. We will start with installing and applying your presets in Adobe Lightroom. If you're working with Adobe Camera Raw, feel free to jump ahead to the timestamp shown here. If you want to manually install your Unzip file, you will need to locate the Develop Presets folder. The best way to do this is to open Adobe Lightroom, go to Lightroom Preferences, open the Presets tab and click on Show Lightroom Presets folder. Inside of the Lightroom folder, you can find the Develop Presets folder. Simply drag your Unzip file here and restart Lightroom. We have imported a couple of images to show you how you can apply the presets and adjust them to your needs once you've imported your presets to Lightroom. They give you a great base to start from, but you will obviously need to adjust things like white balance, tint and brightness to fit your individual shooting style and the light situation while shooting. That's why it's crucial to always shoot in RAW format and not over or underexpose your images extremely, because you will lose information within the image that cannot be restored in post. We purposefully slightly underexpose the majority of our images when shooting, and our presets are optimized for this approach. If you tend to shoot brighter images and apply the presets, simply bring the brightness down a bit more and you should get great results. Now onto Adobe Camera Raw. Open your Finder if you're using Mac or Explorer on Windows and locate these paths. Instead of username, this section would have your system's names included. If you're using Mac and you cannot seem to locate the settings folder, head on over to our PDF guide where we've included a path to copy and paste. That should fix the problem. Now, copy the .xmp presets into the settings folder, restart, and the presets will appear in the ACR preset tab now.